everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Kyla. So today we'll be doing a little review and what fits in my bag. So as you may have guessed, it's a Celine bag. So here it is. Okay, I'll just take this out. So this is the size of the bag. So it's a micro bag. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. So here she is in this cute simple box. And I love the packaging. Everything is super simple and neat. So it comes with the dust bag, and ta-da! Here she is. So I got the black, I think this is some box leather with a gold buckle. And honestly, the first thing that you will notice would be how annoying this buckle is, because it is a button closure. So every time, excuse my nails, they are terrible, but I just cannot find my remover anywhere. So yes, every time you have to open and close this, you have to actually apply a bit of pressure here in order to snap this closed, which is really annoying, and it leaves a little mark at the side. Here, can you see, like there's a little indentation due to the pressure from the buckle, but I guess it cannot be avoided. So it comes with this strap here, and it's adjustable. You can just adjust it accordingly here. If you want it to be a waist bag, I think you can, or if not, you can just leave it as a shoulder strap. So you have to just loop the straps through this little loops here, and it's fairly easy to use. Let me just close this shut. Ta-da! Yeah, so it's just another button closure, which is annoying, but it's not as annoying as the front button closure. So it just comes with one huge pocket here, and a little like card slot. Can you see here? It's like a little card slot holder, which is honestly quite unnecessary because of how tiny the bag is. Okay, so anyways, that's how it looks. And then it comes with the protective film here on the buckle that you can just remove. I haven't removed the one on the inside, but yeah, you can just remove it. So it's super tiny and it doesn't fit much, but I will show you what I can fit in here. So this is the length of the bag. Okay, so let me just move on to what fits in this bag. As you may have guessed, I have my Samsung Z Flip here that I've had for a while now, and this fits in perfectly if I were to, but I have to turn it to the side, because if it was straight, it kind of juts out a little, just a little bit. So I just don't really want to apply unnecessary pressure to the bag. Because of the leather as well, it's not very forgiving as compared to other leathers. So let me see if my wallet fits in here. Yes, it does, but it's super tight. It's really tight. So my phone, my wallet, and I'm just going to see if I can fit in a lipstick. I had a lipstick here that I wanted to put in. Let me just I can if I were to push it in, but I won't, because you can see the side is kind of like popping out a little. So maybe if you have a smaller lipstick, yes, you can fit that in. But if not, an alternative would be to actually remove some cards here, and you can just slot your cards into the back compartment like I showed you earlier. And then you can bring a lipstick with you, and it fits in no problem, like so. So when the bag is full, it's a lot easier to close as compared to like an empty bag, because obviously there's like a little bit of pressure pushing the button outward. So that is one of the things. If let's say I were to take out my phone to use, it would be quite difficult to close the bag. If I have my cards or my wallet inside, and that's it, because it's empty, so there's no pressure for me to push the button down against. Does that make sense? But yeah, if you do get a chance to, you know, go to the boutique and try this bag out, then you would understand what I mean by it's a lot easier to close the bag when it is full as compared to when it is empty. But overall, this is a super cute bag for daily use. If you're just going out for a really short period of time, you don't have to carry much stuff with you. If you are planning on carrying like sanitizers and wipes and whatever have you, this is not ideal. This is more for just the very bare basic necessities. For its price, I would say it is an affordable bag but an expensive coin purse. It retails for 1,800 Singapore dollars. The one with the logo is actually cheaper. I think it's like 1,500 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so you just have to check the pricing on that. It's all available on their website for you to take a look at the different colors that it comes in. Right now they just released a bunch of new colors. I think it comes in like a baby blue color, and then there's a white or like a cream and gold one. But yes, the one that I have here with me is black and gold. I really wish it came in a different leather, because this leather, I'm really not sure how forgiving it is. So far, it has held up alright, but I haven't really used it that much. But one of the main things that I did mention earlier would be the indentation from the buckle, which is very annoying. It's like you could have just put a little bit more thought into this, and you know, you can just make it like a push to close kind of thing. Like a little clasp, I guess. But no, they did a button closure, which is simple but very troublesome. But yes, other than that, I don't have anything else to really say about this bag other than it's super cute, and I just love small bags, so it really depends on you. If you're just not a small bag person, then you would not like this bag. But yes, you can wear it crossbody, as a sling, or even as a belt bag. But yeah, you just need to just adjust the straps accordingly. So yes, that is my overall review on this little beauty here. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!